ra itse rotlhe kgale re tshegisa ra itse rotlhe ene le motho wa batho a kgona go nna le rona.
Malatsinyana hela pele ga mmele wa ga Presley Chweneyagae o isiwa kwa legaeng la gagwe la bogelo, go setse go na le dikakanyo tsa gore go ka dirwa eng gore leina la gagwe le seke la sala le lebalwa gotlhelele. Presley yo go ya ka ba lelapa o neng a itemogelang mathata a go hema a le ko lapeng la gagwe, mme ya re go bidiwa ditirelo tsa tshoganyetso ga pala gore a thusege ka nako eo, mme moya wa gagwe wa itsamaela. Ka nako ya tirelo matshidiso ya gagwe e neng e tshwaretswe mo Mahikeng, go ne ga nna le mogopolo wa gore ka mokgwa o tobetsa jaaka a neng a itsege go tswa kgodisong ya gagwe, a tsholeditseng folaga ya botaki le bodiragatsi mo porofenseng le mo nageng, o tshwanelwa ke go tlotliwa ka mokgwa mongwe.
My dear sister, the acting premier, I am going to challenge you to take an executive decision before the premier comes on Monday. Jesus Christ died at 40, 33, 40. Christians took a decision that Jesus Christ will never be insulted and will never be forgotten, and they are consistent until today. Presley Chweneyagae lived amongst us and died at 40. If we believe that his work and his deeds must not die, acting premier, take an executive decision. This place where we are is a government building that does not have a name. You can take an executive decision that the name Presley Chweneyagae will not die and rename it Presley Chweneyagae Convention Center. If there is an opposition premier, you may take yet another executive decision and refurbish Mabana Foundation and name it Presley Chweneyagae Foundation.
Irile hela mahoko a ga majoro wa masepala wa Sedika Sengaka Modiri Molema a isia wele hatsi a bea phamolwa ke leloko la kgotlatheo molao ya profense yo gape e leng leloko la lekoko la Democratic Alliance.
We will definitely support. We will support anything in line low grow economy in Northwest. We will support anything e promote batho ba mo Northwest, promote South Africans who have stood out proudly, and Presley was one of them. There's no way we'll query that. The only problem is that it has not came officially from government. It was just through in ke mayor wa Sedika hana matla o ka dira yalo. So we're just looking at how it is going to unfold. However, it's a good thing, especially at a time when Mabana or the state is not good and all that. Maybe in his memory, renaming it or just having his picture there or something that will resemblance lots of some Mabana would be a good thing, and would definitely have to hold them to account to that. A promise was made, such a pronouncement was made, because I felt the entire hall erupted clapping hands to show that it's something positive and people are looking forward to.
Kwa ntle ga kakanyo e ya gore go teiwe nngwe dikago tsa puso mo leineng la ga tobetsa, go bonala a tla sala a gopolwa ka tse dingwe tsa ditiro tsa gagwe, gonne a tlogetse motlhala o se kitlang o phimoga bonolo.
To the world, he was Presley Chweneyagae, the actor, the artist, the man whose talent moved many nations. From his unforgettable role in Tsotsi, which introduced his brilliance to the world, to his role as the opulent Cobra Eazy, and the countless roles that followed. He gave voice to stories that needed to be told. He gave depth to the human experience. Every role he played, from Tsotsi to Cobra Eazy, he played the parts like it was the life he lived.
Cobra is the son of the soil, and ourselves in Mahikeng especially, Mabana, we are underestimating ourselves. Everybody who stood here is a star, and a star produced right here in Mahikeng. So at some point, MEC, it will be important with our HOD Ntate Mogorosi. Let's have a reunion of everybody from Mabana who has made it, so that we can inspire those who are still growing up from Mabana.
Was it na Presley ne ke mo ratela di jokes tsa gagwe, ne ke mo ratela how funny he was, because there was never any dull moment. He was always cracking jokes, always having a good time. So I will always remember him for that. Every time I can it was a show. He was entertaining.
Like many of us here, I came to know Presley when he rose to stardom in 2006 after winning the coveted Oscar Academy Award with Tsotsi. When Tsotsi was released, MEC, there was so much talk and controversy around the movie, least for the reason that there were two versions of how the movie ends. Does Tsotsi get shot or killed by the police, or is he arrested? So many of us watched the movie to see how it ends. It was during the time that we as youngsters growing up in Mahikeng had hope for a better life, because our dusty streets produced an international movie stars like Tsotsi. That period was a pinnacle period for the arts and culture in Mahikeng. And on the other hand, Motswako music was doing the most also on the other hand.
Letsatsi lengwe ko Gauteng kwa ele Saturday morago ga mo ra bosetla go utlwala re tsena go kopana kante go bosetla yana go tla ira re botsala ba rona bo nne botsala bo bongwe bo ileng gore bo the togetherness ke batla go betsa ka se massive mara ke apallo a ke kopana le tobetsa a nkitsise ditsala tse ding tsa rona bo Zenzo a nkitsise bo Thato Babu a nkitsise bo Karabo Kgokong ba bantsi a nkitsise bo setšhaba ne re phela rotlhe ko Pretoria le go ratšesana go sena opo e leng gore wa tlhoka e ne le botlhale ba gagwe bo kgotsa nkare e ne e le neo ya gagwe eo ya go kgona go kopantsha batho.
Let us recognize each other while we're still alive. Let's change rules. Let's change the game. Batlo muscreen at Presley, the repeat and everything, but there's nothing in return. Yeah, don't worry about time. We hijacked the program. The program is perfect now. Yeah, but in conclusion, on my side, we met the year 2000 with Presley. Masishaya Tsotsi. uMandela makazoyibamba ngesandla. Unfortunately, abanye asimbambanga ngesandla boMandela. But abanye bayitholile opportunity. All right. Akuna flop, alehlanga lungehlanga emtenini. Life goes on, aluta continua. Pambiringa chimburinga, pambiringa hondo. Etada.
Tirelo matshidiso e nngwe ya gatobetsa e tla tshwarelwa kwa Gauteng ka Labone ha mmele wa gagwe one o tla robadiwa ka Lamatlhatso gone kwa Gauteng.